Good morning friends. In the previous video we have seen the parts of speech, noun and pronoun. In today's video we are going to see the another part of speech, that is adjective. So first we will see what is meant by adjective. Adjective are the words which describes or modifies the noun or pronoun. Means we can say that adjective are the words which give us more information or extra information about the noun or pronoun. So when or how we have to use the adjectives, let's see. The adjectives come before the noun. For example, blue sky. So sky is the noun here and the blue is the adjective which we have used before the noun. How the sky is? It is blue. Means the word blue describes the noun, that is sky. So it is the adjective. Then the adjectives can come after the verb also. For example, the vegetables look fresh, or the vegetable looks fresh. So here looks is the verb and adjective is the fresh. It came after the verb, means the adjective comes before the noun also, or it can be used after the verb also, or it is modified by the adverb also. We can say the example, the vegetables look quite fresh. In this sentence, looks is the verb, quite is an adverb, and fresh is the adjective which came after the adverb. So these are the examples of adjectives, and we have seen when we have to use the adjective. So let's see the types of adjectives. Types of adjectives. So the first type of adjective is adjective of quality. The heading itself shows that the adjectives which show the quality of a noun or pronoun are called as the adjective of quality. Means it describes the quality of a person or the thing or animal or the place. Let's see the example. Red apple, or an honest man. So in these examples, red is the adjective. It came before the noun apple, and it describes the noun. How the apple is? It is red. Means it shows the quality of the apple. Then an honest man. If we ask the question how the man is, we get the answer an honest man. So the honest word describes the noun, that is man. So these are the adjectives of quality. Then the second type of adjective is adjective of quantity. Means the adjective which shows the quantity of the noun is called as the adjective of quantity. Means we can say that it answers the question how much. Let's see the example. There is some rice in the plate. So in this example, the word some, it is the adjective because it shows the quantity of a noun. The rice is the noun here, and the word some describes the quantity of the rice. How much rice? There is some rice in the plate. Then we can see the another example. I can't eat the whole bread. I can't eat the whole bread. The word whole, it is the adjective. It came before the noun, and here I am saying that I can't eat the whole bread, or I can tell that I can eat the half bread. So the whole, half, these are the examples of adjectives of quantity. Let's see the another type of adjective. Adjective of number. The adjective which shows the number of a noun or pronoun is called as the adjective of number. Means we can say that it answers the question how many. Means here we can count the things, or we can count the nouns, objects here. These both looks same, adjective of quantity and adjective of number. But the difference between both is the adjective of quantity answers the question how much, and the adjective of number answers the question how many. We can see the example. I have 10 coins. Or let's see the another example. I came first in the class. So here the number, how many coins I have? We have asked the question here by how many, then we can get the answer 10 coins. Means it shows the number of the noun. I came first in the class. The first, this is the adjective here. So the numbers can be cardinal or ordinal. It answers the question how many. So these are called as the adjective of number. Then the another type of adjective is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective means the adjective which shows the possession or the ownership of the thing or the noun. That is called as the possessive adjective. Means it shows the ownership of a noun or the thing to whom the thing belongs to. For example, that is my bag. That is my bag. So here my is the possessive adjective. How we can identify it? It shows the possession of the bag. To whom the bag belongs to? The bag belongs to mine. That is my bag. Means I am the owner of the bag. The word my shows here the possession. So this is called as the possessive adjective. Let's see the another type of adjective. Let me clean the board. The another type of adjective is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. These adjectives are used to ask the question. For example, whose book is this? Whose book is this? Here the word whose, it is the interrogative adjective because it is used to ask the question. And let's see the another example. Which book do you like most? Which book do you like most? Here which is also the example of interrogative adjective which is used to ask the question, but here it functions as an adjective. So these are the interrogative adjectives. And the last type of adjective is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. It demonstrates means it points out towards the person, particular person or particular thing. It points out the noun. That's why it is called as the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative means it points out the person or the thing. That is the noun. Let's see the example. That boy is a cricket player. Here that is the demonstrative adjective because it demonstrates or it points out toward the person, that is a boy. That boy is a cricket player. Not all the boys are cricket players. That boy. So that it demonstrates the nouns. That's why it is called as a demonstrative adjective. Let's see another example. Those books are very costly. Those books. Which books are very costly? Those books. So here those word demonstrates or points out the books. Which books are very costly. So that and those, these are the words which are used as the demonstrative adjective. So there are 6 types of adjectives we have seen here. First one is adjective of quality, second one is adjective of quantity, then the adjective of number, adjective of possessive adjective, then interrogative adjective, and the last one is demonstrative adjective. So I hope you will understand the types of adjective and what is meant by adjective by watching this video. If you like the video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.